Hi, today we concern with to eat called. It means you are eating bacteria and fungus. So let's try to verify it. Here we have as a sample called in this test tube. From this, take a loopful cord and put on this slide, and then finally observe at 40x objective under microscope. Now watch the procedure. Yes, here you can see plenty of bacteria. This one, this one, this one, so many, isn't it? Similarly, this one is the yeast cell, this one, this one, this one. So they are still plenty in numbers, isn't it? So it verifies scientifically that to eat called, it means you are eating bacteria and fungus, because yeast cells are also part of fungus. I hope this clip will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.